Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting a focus sample so analysis is concrete. Pick 10-20 representative threads and pull their metadata: timestamps, author, length, tags, and reply counts. Define your quality criteria now: relevance, clarity, completeness, and civility, because these metrics guide every measurement. Once done, organize samples in a spreadsheet or simple database for repeatable work. Make sure to label each item clearly so you can track decisions later and avoid re-evaluating the same thread twice. Next, you evaluate each thread with a consistent rubric to remove bias. Score relevance, clarity, completeness, and civility on a 1-5 scale and record the numbers. Inspect supporting evidence, references, code snippets, screenshots, or authoritative links, because quality hinges on verifiability. Also assess engagement. Are replies constructive? Is the issue resolved? And does summarization exist? Once scoring is complete, compute averages and flag outliers for deeper review, so you know whether issues are systemic or isolated. Finally, you aggregate scores and prioritize threads that need action, moderation, clarification, or follow-up. Translate patterns into concrete recommendations, update guidelines, provide templates, or train moderators. Deliver a short report with key examples and proposed next steps. If results look inconsistent, re-review flagged threads or bring in a second evaluator to reconcile differences. This reduces subjective error. Make sure to schedule a follow-up review after changes to confirm improvements and close the loop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.